Alright, so we have the Raspberry Pi here. As you can see, we have the auxiliary cord plugged into the port. We have an infrared shield on here. This infrared shield is going to send IR information to our bulb. Our bulb is wired up and plugged into an electrical outlet. However, in the final design, this bulb actually has an outlet on it in which we will be plugging the Raspberry Pi into directly. And so there is that. Then here is a circuit in which I have built. The auxiliary cord runs and hooks into the circuit. It's a mono amplifier. One of the leads goes to ground, so it's not a stereo sound, but we only have one speaker, so that is not all that important. A potentiometer to change the volume. Circuits made just one resistor, 3 capacitors, and a op-amp chip, and we have a 9-volt battery hooked up. So what is going to happen as I have the Raspberry Pi Jessie running, I'm going to click on the terminal, and that's going to activate this Python program which I've written. And as you can see, the bulb will change color. The final design, the Emotive Epoch headset, which is a EEG headset, will be recognizing neuronal patterns within the user's brain, to recognizing the meditative state. And as the person progresses deeper and deeper into meditation, the bulb will change color and reflect the current state of meditation in which the user is experiencing. We have a 7-level system, and the bulb, or the entire program, will be activated by blinking, which will start the meditative capture and initiate the first level of red light. And then from there, as the person progresses, the light change will reflect that. We are currently in process of developing another trigger in order to turn on the sound if someone would like to have sound. Most likely it'll be meditative music. We aren't sure if we're going to be able to provide a selection or if it's going to be a default track or a default playlist. That is still in development. But yeah, so far this is the part of the project I've been working on. The other members of my group are more working on the data capture from the EEG headset, filtering the data, and then running it through a neural network to process and interpret the data, looking for pattern recognition of the meditative state. So, as you can see, this is what we've got for now. Thanks for checking it out.